Welcome to Mercedes-Benz of Stockton Service Center. Easily schedule your service appointment by phone, text, chat, or online. You'll be greeted by a customer care representative to check in the vehicle, and a dedicated service consultant will review the maintenance needs and work with you throughout the entire service process. We have complimentary loaner vehicles available, or you can relax and enjoy our comfortable customer lounge and business center. Purchasing maintenance packages with your vehicle gives you measurable savings and can be prepaid in full or easily built into your monthly payments. Our certified technicians have the training, skill, and know-how to ensure your Mercedes-Benz continues to run at its best, using state-of-the-art tools, technology, and only genuine Mercedes-Benz parts.
I'm Jaime Rodriguez. I'm the Service Workshop Manager here at Mercedes-Benz of Stockton. I want to thank you for personally choosing us to service your vehicle. We're a family-owned dealership. Our technicians work on every single vehicle as if their own family members drive that vehicle. Without you, the customer, there would be no us, the technicians, service department, as well as our frontline workers.
I'm a factory-trained, certified Mercedes-Benz technician, and I love what I do.
We want to thank you, the customer, for choosing Mercedes-Benz of Stockton.
Your vehicle is then washed and sanitized and will be ready in our service drive, or we will deliver to your home. We encourage you to schedule your service appointment ahead of time by phone, text, chat, or online. Thank you for being an important part of the Mercedes-Benz of Stockton family. We know our success and resilience as a family-owned business for over 30 years is attributed to you and our team. We look forward to seeing you soon.